Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off location in Redmi phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and go to the setting icon, so click on that. Now you will see many options. Scroll up some more and you have to click on the location option. Click on the location. Here you will see location access, which is already off in our mobile phone. So if you want to turn on location, so firstly on location in that way, so it means that it helps you to send location to any person or check location where you place at that time. So if you want to turn off location, so firstly off location in this way, so it means that now it doesn't allow you to send location to any person or check location where you place at that time. So I hope this video helps you to on and off location in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.